Ever felt lost in the crypto sea, especially when you're trying to navigate it from Latin America? You're not alone. The world of digital assets can feel like a vast and sometimes intimidating ocean, and when you factor in regional nuances, language barriers, and specific support needs, it can get even trickier. But what if there was a lighthouse in this crypto ocean, specifically built to guide Latin American users? What if a major global exchange not only understood the unique challenges you face, but also tailored its support and options to meet your specific needs? Well, that's precisely what we're diving into today. We're going to explore how Kraken, a name synonymous with security and reliability in the crypto space, is making waves in Latin America by offering dedicated support and a range of options designed with you in mind. Now, you might be thinking, okay, another exchange talking about international expansion. But this is different. We're not just talking about translated websites or generic customer service. We're talking about a focused effort to understand the Latin American crypto landscape, to speak your language, literally and figuratively, and to provide the tools and assistance you need to confidently participate in the digital economy. So, why is this important? For starters, Latin America is a vibrant and rapidly growing hub for cryptocurrency adoption. From individuals seeking financial empowerment to businesses exploring new avenues for growth, the interest and engagement are undeniable. However, this burgeoning market also comes with its own set of complexities. Regulatory landscapes vary significantly from country to country, access to traditional banking systems can be limited, and the need for trustworthy and accessible support is paramount. This is where Kraken's approach stands out. They're not just dipping their toes in the water, they're actively engaging with the Latin American community, building infrastructure, and offering solutions that address these specific challenges. Let's talk about support. When you encounter an issue, whether it's a question about a transaction, a concern about security, or simply needing guidance on how to use a specific feature, you want help that's prompt, knowledgeable, and, crucially, in your language. Kraken understands this. They've invested in building support teams that are fluent in Spanish and Portuguese, ensuring that you can communicate your needs clearly and receive assistance without any linguistic hurdles. Imagine the frustration of trying to explain a complex crypto issue in a language you're not entirely comfortable with. It can be time-consuming, prone to misunderstandings, and ultimately leave you feeling more confused than when you started. By offering native language support, Kraken eliminates this barrier, making the entire experience smoother and more reassuring. But it goes beyond just language. The support teams are also trained to understand the nuances of the Latin American market. They're aware of the specific payment methods that are popular in different countries, the common challenges users might face, and the regulatory considerations that are relevant to the region. This localized knowledge means they can provide more relevant and effective assistance. Now, let's delve into the options aspect. It's not enough to just offer support, a platform also needs to provide the right tools and services to meet the diverse needs of its users. Kraken recognizes this and has been actively expanding its offerings in Latin America. One key area is fiat currency support. For many users in the region, the ability to easily deposit and withdraw local currencies is crucial. Kraken has been working to integrate with various payment providers and banking systems across Latin America, making it easier for you to move funds in and out of the platform. This can significantly streamline the process of buying and selling cryptocurrencies and reduce the complexities associated with cross-border transactions. Think about the convenience of being able to directly deposit your local currency and start trading without having to go through multiple conversions or rely on less familiar payment methods. This level of integration not only saves time and money but also enhances the overall user experience. Furthermore, Kraken offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies for trading, catering to both seasoned investors and those who are just starting their crypto journey. From established players like Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins with exciting potential, the platform provides access to a diverse selection of digital assets. This allows users in Latin America to explore different investment opportunities and build a portfolio that aligns with their individual goals and risk tolerance. Beyond spot trading, Kraken also offers other features that may be of interest to Latin American users. These can include margin trading for those looking to amplify their trading positions, staking options that allow you to earn rewards on your held cryptocurrencies, and futures trading for more advanced users. The availability of these features provides greater flexibility and caters to a wider range of trading strategies. Security, of course, remains a top priority for Kraken. In a region where trust and reliability are paramount, Kraken's long-standing reputation for robust security measures provides peace of mind. They employ advanced encryption, two-factor authentication, and other industry-leading security protocols to protect your funds and personal information. This commitment to security is crucial for fostering confidence and encouraging greater participation in the crypto space within Latin America. Moreover, Kraken is actively engaging with local communities and regulators in Latin America. They understand that navigating the evolving regulatory landscape requires open communication and a willingness to adapt. By working collaboratively with stakeholders, Kraken aims to ensure that its services are compliant with local laws and regulations, providing a safe and reliable platform for users in the region. Education is another key aspect of Kraken's approach. They recognize that many individuals in Latin America are new to the world of cryptocurrencies and may require guidance and resources to navigate it effectively. Kraken provides educational materials, including guides, articles, and webinars, in Spanish and Portuguese to help users understand the fundamentals of blockchain technology, cryptocurrency trading, and risk management. This commitment to education empowers users to make informed decisions and participate in the crypto market with greater confidence. Consider the value of having access to reliable and easy-to-understand information in your own language. It can demystify complex concepts, answer your burning questions, and ultimately help you feel more in control of your crypto journey. Furthermore, Kraken understands the importance of community. They actively engage with their Latin American user base through social media channels and online forums, creating spaces where users can connect, share insights, and support each other. This sense of community can be particularly valuable for newcomers to the crypto world, providing a supportive environment where they can learn and grow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.